All right, guys, what's going on? Justin from 79th Productions, and today I am going to be working on the red Civic. Super excited about that. I haven't been on this car in a while, and let me tell you why. So I put the engine in, I was driving it around, everything was going great, and then it started having a miss and started sounding funny. I started doing a bunch of stuff to it. Finally, I checked the compression on it, and a couple of the cylinders were low on compression, so we had engine problems. I pulled the engine out to do a swap, and it kind of sat. I started working on this again, and I swapped in the B20 in it, and I'm gonna make some videos on that later. This isn't about that. But as I was driving it, I kept hearing noises coming from the rear, and let me just show you what was going on. So here we go, guys. There's an airplane in the background. Let's let that pass. But here we go, guys. So as I was driving it, I kept hearing noises. I jacked the rear tire up, and you see that how much it moves? It moves a lot. Now, I was thinking it might have been the wheel bearing, but it wasn't the wheel bearing, because it's not moving side to side. It's only moving, up and down. It doesn't move anywhere else. So I'm gonna get the tire off, and I'm gonna show you guys what's going on there. All right, guys, so we got the tire off, and let me show you what's going on. So if you can see, that back bushing is completely destroyed. It's just got a lot of play in there, and we're gonna go ahead. I already got the replacement part to fix it, so let's go ahead and pull this off. Alright, guys, so to take this off, you just need a 14 millimeter. You do not need an impact, but I'm going to use it just to speed things up. And we're just going to pull that out, and it drops down. And now we're going to take off these two 14 millimeter bolts right here. You want to take this one off first, because if you take these two off first, this will kind of move around, but I just usually take this one off first. Now we got a extension, and we're just going to take these back two bolts off. And that's going to be it. That's going to fall down. We'll just pull that off, and here we go. This is out. So this is shouldn't take more than about 10 minutes to install these. All right, guys, so now we got that off, and here we go. This is the old one, and look at that. That just looks terrible. You can see inside the bushing is completely gone. Now here is the new Maxpeedingrods camber kit. Super excited about this. Bushing super stiff, solid. I want to say these are polyurethane, but yeah, this is going to be a lot better as far as, we can adjust these. I was looking on their website, and it says from -2 degrees camber to +3 degrees camber. So we're going to be able to adjust these, and it's going to be a better ride. You could see the tire was shaking around before, and that's where that's coming from. And this is gonna go ahead and fix that problem. We can't move that, so we're gonna go ahead and get ready to put these things on now. All right guys, so before I put these on, like I said, these are adjustable. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna open it up till it's about the same length. Now I will be getting an alignment, so I'm gonna open this up till it's about the same length, and we'll just go from there. And once I get the alignment, they'll kind of dial it in. And that's about as close as we're gonna get it. And we're gonna go ahead and install it now. And then, you know, you just gotta lock these in, but I'm gonna do that on the car just so I can move this around. All right guys, so to put this on back on is super easy. We're just gonna go ahead and put these 14mm bolts in, and we'll put them in hand tight, so we could go ahead and put that other 14mm in. And you just want to get them in hand tight, and then you're gonna come back and you're gonna get this other 14mm. And guys, these go in pretty easy by hand. So that's it, just 3 bolts, and this is super easy. We're gonna go ahead and snug these down now. All right guys, so we're tightening these back by hand. Don't want to use an impact here, but we're gonna just snug all of these down, and then this is gonna be good to go. All right guys, so we're just putting this last bolt on, and now that we got these in, we're gonna go ahead and tighten these down in place with a adjustable wrench. All right guys, so we got everything tightened down. Now if you want to adjust these guys, what you got to do is loosen these nuts and then turn this, and it's gonna move it in or out. Now like I said before, we have that in a stock location, so what we're gonna do now is just tighten it down until we get an alignment. So we're gonna go ahead and snug both of those down and kind of lock it in place. We're just gonna lock it in place until we get the alignment done. All right guys, so we got these the camber kit installed, and I'm super excited about it. That old piece was just, the bushings were completely dry rotted, and this is nice and brand new, and it is adjustable, so that's going to be great as far as like wheel fitment and stuff like that, and really dialing in the camber. So I'm excited about that. I got the coilovers adjusted to where I want them, so we're gonna go ahead and put the tire back on this and move the tire and see if the suspension moves. All right guys, so we got that camber kit on, and that completely fixed that shake. There's no more shake there. I'm done with this side. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera, but for now I'm gonna wrap this video up, guys. Big shout out to Maxpeedingrods. They send me a camber kit. Now I just got this one. I forgot that I had this. Maxpeedingrods sent me this a while ago, and I didn't use this one because I thought the red would go better with the red cars, so that's why. But both of these are Maxpeedingrods products, and guys, these are very inexpensive, so it's a big upgrade for not too much money. So but that's gonna be it, guys. big shout out to Maxpeedingrods. They've been sending some parts, and that's helping me get some movement going on the channel. Installing this is a big upgrade for this car, because like I said, once I was driving it before, like you can hear it, like you can hear a thud every now and again, and I'm pretty sure that's where it was coming from. So now that we have those on, it's not gonna move around like that. Plus I will have some I'll have the ability to adjust the camber, so super excited about that. Big shout out again to Maxpeedingrods. That's gonna be it for this one, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at 79 Productions and Facebook at 79 Productions. Oh, and if you guys want a discount, use coupon code 79 at Maxpeedingrods. Get your discount. Every dollar helps, so use the discount. I'll put the discount code in the description. But that's gonna be it, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless you guys.